Welcome to Lock Bites. I'm Kusai Kabalani. Unlock the secrets of cybersecurity with us.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this demonstration on basic vulnerability scanning. I am Kusai Faraj, and in this video I will show you how to conduct a fundamental vulnerability scan using Nmap. Our goal is to identify potential security weaknesses in a system, helping us proactively address them. So guys, I have this target machine, Windows machine, that have the number 129, 168, 131. I will move to Kali Linux now. So guys, I will use Nmap. So first, Nmap or Network Mapper is a powerful open source tool for network discovery and security auditing. For this demo, I will be scanning a local virtual machine, which is the Windows machine. First, I will use Nmap as a command, -ss, then the IP address. By not specifying a port range, Nmap will automatically scan the 1000 most common ports. So here we go. This is the result. We have one port here open. Here is our scan report for our target machine. We can confirm the host is online and responsive. Now notice this very important line here, 999 filtered ports. It's a good sign from a security perspective. It means that for almost all the common ports we are getting no response likely because they are blocked by a firewall or no services are listing. That significantly reduces the potential attack surface. However, we did find one port 5357 here, which Nmap identifies as WSD API or Web Service for Device API. This service is often used by network devices like printers for discovery. While open, it's the only one we found out the common 1000, which suggests this system is relatively locked down. So guys, we will have the other one, Nmap S to see the services, O to see the operating system running on that device or that virtual machine. Even with just one open port, it's good practice to try and gather more intelligence. Okay, here we have the HTTP, which confirms that maybe the virtual machine opening a web page, so it's requesting thing from the maybe Google on Google Chrome like this. It's using HTTPD. And we have here mostly is using Windows 10, okay, Microsoft Windows. And the third, we will use Nmap -s -v -script. As you can see here, for our single open service, the vulnerability scripts did not flag any immediate high severity vulnerabilities. This is a positive outcome, indicating that for basic checks, this service isn't immediately exploitable by common vulnerabilities in the script database. It's important to remember that it's a basic check. More in-depth vulnerability scanners or manual penetration testing would be required a truly comprehensive assessment. While we didn't find specific crucial vulnerabilities with the basic Nmap scripts, the identification of any open service like WSD API highlights an area that should be further investigated to ensure it's securely configured and truly necessary. Regular vulnerability scanning is an essential practice for maintaining a strong security posture. Thank you for watching and goodbye.